Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Logan going with Going's Kicks, and today I'm going to bring you guys a special beater box unboxing. I have this from Soul Supremacy. It's not a regular beater box, this one is a donation box, so I only paid 40 bucks for it, which is just the shipping. So shout out to Soul Supremacy for hooking everyone up. Today I decided to make it a little different and give it back to the community a little bit. So every single shoe in this box, I will be going around and donating to people around my city, Portland. So real quick, I'm just gonna open it up and show you guys all the shoes, and then we'll get straight into it. So with that being said, let's crack this puppy open. All right, I'm just gonna go through them real quick. Size 6, Jordan, these. Size 6 again, Crazy Light Boost, 2016. Size 8, Dame 3s. This is nice because I live in Portland. Everyone will like those. Size 4.5. Got some Jordan 9 Cool Grays. Size 12 Converse highs. Got some Puma Suedes, size 10. Fuzzy Vans checkered slip-ons, size 12. A pair of Nike Blazers, size 10. Another pair of Nike Blazers, size 10. Pair of Nike Blazer Lows, size 8. These are brand new, so that's cool. And last up in this box, got a woman's shoe, size 7.5. Just a pair of black Nike runners. And then also, a pair of shoes that I own but just don't wear at all are these Nike Blazer Lows in a nice tan colorway. I'll be giving these away too. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pairs of shoes. So 12 people are gonna be getting a new pair of shoes today. All right guys, now we're in the car. We got my dad here. He happily agreed to film and drive. And then also the grandparents are in town. So they decided to come along for the ride. Grandpa's taking pictures down there. Let's see what he's got on his feet today. Got some nice Reeboks. Shoes running the family. Excuse me, sir? I'm giving away free shoes for a YouTube video. You want a pair?
I just found these 3 days ago.
Oh, really? Well, you can have a new pair if you want.
I might find something that I know I can give them to.
Oh, yeah, you want these?
Somewhere down there, I'm just like man in my one.
Yeah, all right, enjoy them. He said he just got a new pair of shoes 3 days ago, so. But he goes downtown often and he knows a lot of people that could use them. Yeah, I have free shoes if you want them. Shooting YouTube. Yeah. Oh yeah, perfect. We got a bunch of sizes over here.
What size do you have? He's a big, large man.
Oh really? What size do I have some 12s if you want them. Yeah.
And then this guy in here, his name is JR.
And he wears like a 4.
Yeah. We have all sizes. Don't worry.
Same size as his penis.
Like the jersey. All right, let's see.
That's a Roy jersey, man.
Yeah, nice.
Anyways,
So
this
YouTube, what do you guys
guy's
say?
my bully. He picks on me, takes all my money.
This is my pops.
I wave 10s.
All right.
Wow, man,
Oh, you were 10s. We got a lot of 10s. Here's some 12s.
So listen to me.
Hey.
9.5 blister my feet.
Okay, so
10s work, 10.5s work, or clear to 11.
Okay. So
Preferably
here's some
10.
10s.
Wow, dude, that's
Here's
cool,
here's some more 10s.
Wow. This is an 8.
Those are 8s.
That can't work. This is 7.5. That can't work. What's these sizes?
Those are kid sizes, 6 and 6.
Okay. Okay. Can I get this
Everybody
one?
shopping over here, dude, or what the?
And this one?
Yeah, feel free.
No,
Yeah.
Be happy
Big
for.
heart. Hey, thanks, guys. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
That's really
You know what I
cool.
mean?
Yeah.
Totally.
Be happy, man. Thank
Come
you,
with the
you
hug.
guys. You know what? You guys are a lifesaver. Thank you.
No problem. Yeah. Glad to help you guys out.
7.
7? Can you wear a 7.5?
Yeah, I wear a 7.5.
Okay, perfect. I got some Nikes for you. Yeah, you want to try these out?
Sure, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Enjoy.
Got a problem with dark later.
Of course not. That's
Whoa!
sick.
You better wear it.
Awesome.
Yeah, no problem.
And
Shooting a
I'm
YouTube
out of
video.
shoes. I mean, like, these are freaking wore through.
Oh yeah, no problem. Let's see. I think I might have one pair of 10s left. Here's, you want some Pumas?
I'll freaking rock those. I'll freaking rock those.
Yeah. All right. Perfect.
Thank you, my
No
friend.
problem. Those might be too big. Say hi.
Thank you.
No problem.
Because I mean, going to a party
Oh yeah.
for Christmas and New Year's, you got to set up ahead of time.
Yeah.
Set it on your face. I want to look kind of. What do you think, man? Is that nice?
You guys rock, man.
Yeah. No problem.
Sure.
Enjoy them. Thank you.
I came to the right spot for the people that really need them. You know, I mean, look.
Yeah. The sandals, but now you got a couple pairs of new sneakers.
My tennis shoes were just like holes in them.
Oh yeah.
Same with everybody's here. We're not rich. Okay, thank you guys. Hey, you guys be good, man.
Yeah. You too.
Peace out.
Peace.
Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
Got it.
Like jump off the buildings or anything.
Yep.
Unless I have a parachute. Cut it off.
So far so good. We got rid of like 4 pair there, 5 pair.
More than that, I think. Like
Oh.
total, we already got like 6 pairs, not just one park. So good start.
What do you guys think?
Kind of exciting just to see how excited they were.
Yeah, no, very excited. They liked getting their new shoes.
They like new things.
It's looking good.
Yeah, nice. Sorry, wish I would have had a bigger size.
No, what can we do for you guys?
Just stay out of trouble.
All right.
That's all we ask.
Yep. Excuse me, sir, we're giving away shoes for a YouTube video. Do you want some?
What?
Some shoes?
Sure.
Are you, what size are you?
12 to 13.
Oh, 12, perfect.
He's making a YouTube video.
Oh, okay.
Here we got, these are the only pair of 12s we have, but
Hey, I appreciate it.
yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, enjoy.
Thanks.
They're, yeah, fuzzy bands.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
You're most welcome, sir.
Hey, I've got a couple pairs of shoes I'm giving away for a YouTube video. Do you guys want it? Sure. They're size 8, but you can just take them if you.
Are these brand new?
They are, yeah.
Where'd you guys get these?
I got a whole box of shoes that just, yeah, and I just decided to give them all away.
Are you recording?
I am. Is that cool if you're on the YouTube video?
Yeah, sure, that's fine. Well, why are you doing this?
I just wanted to give back, had the shoes, and just felt like there'd be people that could probably use them.
That's very nice of you.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, a lot of people can use them, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Well, I've never seen shoes like these.
Oh yeah, do you know Damian Lillard, who plays for the Blazers?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are his shoes.
Oh, really?
How much are those?
They're free. You want a pair?
Yeah.
I have size 6. I have a size 8 right here, and then a size 4.5. 6?
Oh, the 8.
We got 2 pairs of 6s. You can check those out. Can I have the other 6?
Oh shoot, I almost got my.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, those are the Desiree.
There's these. You want those?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
What size are those?
We have a size 8 right here is the biggest size we have. Yeah, no problem. Enjoy. Could you fit a 4.5 or those? Will those work?
That was like those are white shoes.
Yeah.
They might actually fit you, huh?
Think those will work?
Oh, these are too tight.
Too tight? You want to try it? Do you think those will work, the 6s?
Yeah, these fit.
Those fit?
Yeah, these are strange looking though.
Yeah. Well, you want them? Just
Yeah, I do. Thank you.
yeah, no problem. Enjoy. Yeah. And you guys want a free pair of shoes, a size 4.5? It's a little small. You want to take them? All right, enjoy. Uh-huh. Gave all the shoes away. Everyone was super grateful. They all said they acted like they really needed them, so I'm glad
that I could hook them up with a new pair of shoes. Good experience. Go out there and do something for your community, guys. Later, dudes.